Hey, this is Chris in day 41 in my video blog journal. I thought I'd do a quick entry today about something I've noticed since I've received my diagnosis that stands out to me about every time it happens. And even though I'm trying to picture living as long as I can with this cancer, one of the things that stands out at me often is that today might have been the last time that I did something, whatever that thing is. Sometimes they're very important events. Like in March when I had my birthday, the thing I struggled with that weekend was, that might be the last birthday I'll celebrate. Hopefully not, but, it was something that stood out in my mind. Well, today was something that was kind of mundane, really. I had a dentist appointment. Like many of us, I had a dentist appointment that had been on my calendar for 6 months, and it was actually scheduled last fall. And I've been slowly watching it come up on my calendar, and I have to be honest with you, when you're fighting cancer, does it make sense to even go to the dentist? But, I'm still trying to take care of myself and continue on and hopefully live as long as I can. And so, I got up bright and early this morning and went to my dentist appointment. And it already helps because I really enjoy going to my dentist's office a lot. I go and see Dr. Elizabeth Jerrick's, which her office is on Falls and News in Raleigh, and she has a great staff. Susan, who works at the desk, is great, and she has an awesome group of dental assistants, and they've always taken very good care of me. I've been going there since I moved to Raleigh in the late 90s. And after scheduling my appointment for 6 months out, Dr. Garrix came in and she had heard about my cancer diagnosis. While I was getting my cleaning, I had been discussing it with my hygienist, and she had told the dentist about it, and so as Dr. Garrix was checking out my teeth and telling me I was doing a good job brushing and flossing. I was trying to stay strong and, give her all the information about my cancer diagnosis and, what they were doing for me at the Duke Cancer Center. And so it came to the end of my appointment, and Dr. Garrix, who has always treated me better than a customer, more like family, just gave me a hug and said that they would be praying for me and thinking about me. And I went up onto the front counter and checked out and left. And I had not gotten out that far outside the front door. And Dr. Garrix came back out and just wanted to give me another hug. And just wished me well. She really wanted me to know that she hoped everything would be okay. And neither one of us said much. But I knew she had to be thinking the same thing I was thinking. And I couldn't help but think, and I couldn't help but wonder if today was my last dentist appointment. And it seems so silly because most people hate going to the dentist. And it's one of those days you don't look forward to. But for me, it wasn't about it was not about going to the dentist itself. It was about possibly seeing people that you've known for 10, 15, 20 years, possibly seeing them for the last time. And it also, even as mundane as going to the dentist is, thinking about not having to go because you're not here anymore, just as a symbol of life ending in itself. You know, every day we do things like get up and brush our teeth, you know, or try to do some exercise, or, you know, try to buy that diet soda, whatever that small thing might be to improve our health, to live a little bit longer. And then one day, you just get to the point where those things don't add up or mean anything. They don't add to extended life. And so as I left and walked away, I couldn't help but think about that I'll miss my friends at Dr. Garrett's office. But I'm really, really hoping that I'm at that follow-up appointment in October. Because I'm not giving up hope. I'm still brushing my teeth. I'm still flossing every day. And I'm going to take care of my teeth and all the way to the end. And hopefully something will happen. Some miracle will happen. And I'll get to live with this longer than what I expected. And I'll get to the dentist again. Anyway, that's my video journal for today, Wednesday, April the 8th. And I will see you tomorrow.